I was trying to buy that garbage anyway. Nothing wrong.
Fatty give you one. I can't chuckle.
That don't work.
Can't chuckle.
That fucking lame.
Yes. I'm still.
Large oxtail and fried chicken combo. Sound like
24 years worth of meat.
Jesus, beef. Fatty, you fat.
Fuck off.
Half.
Fuck off.
Yeah. Looking at. You gotta make the viewers know what you did tonight. Cause you're not like me, so I don't know what you did.
The man I go fishing. And him know why you come and he know why Minnie. So watch this now. Fatty and let's get the fat boy, let's get over there. Say every time when Minnie go in that boat, he start vomit quick. So they don't want to travel with it. So now when let's get informed, say I go fishing. Let's get informed, and I tell you that. Fatty say, oh boy, you chat too much. Why you tell me? You know, say, as Minnie come in that boat, he's sick. My God! You're serious like judge!
Yo, the blue one is ground.
Yo, oh
What? You're serious?
fuck. You put in injectors yet?
No, not because he can't drive the car properly. He can't drive the car properly and then put in the injector. Minnie, he said, let's get shot too much.
You're serious? And that not good?
You're serious? And that no good. And that no good, bitch.
Explain to the people then what are they.
This
is
garbage.
Listen. See what you're going like tomorrow.
On the radar.
Whoa. Down pipe. Yo, check out the down pipe, bro. See from right there. See one little piece right there?
Cruising?
Yeah. Cruising at 14, 15, 16. When you save gas. When you go up on the airplane, you jump on that table and put the boost there. You never know that.
That's mad, man.
This man put the tape on stops on the 4-door. Yo, don't move this. Oh fuck, this is a hard video. A lot of people want your head right now, Sam.
Right there, whenever they want.
Better not screw. When my boss lights dim down low, I feel wind down glass. If you look strange, your face rearrange, your rap make him act 10 black. First man, you never wild him, bust it in a styling. Crawl pan your belly, call that the crocodile. Hold it down steady, we not for shoot while we are come for your soul. Coulda beg, coulda cry. Me a bust up me gun from a long time. No see my bad in a real life. Man I run like Sonic with the cheap pines. Dog don't sleep in the street life. Hey, yo, show time, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them kill. Big and round, I'm a Raldo, you could get fridge. Show time. You know the life how we live. Some of my dog rub, some of them.
Rumble the dumble.
Man, yo, chill, man, leaving me hanging and gonna chase him down.
Where we got walk together?
Wanna do some rolling shots?
Papa, go.
Cinematic band lap. Me tell her bring a friend for automatic.
Make a be vex one.
Vex a lot of people in our
right
farm.
there, whenever they want.
A lot of people want your head right now, Sam.
The hype.
No side.
Area.
But minute, what you saying now? What the race is saying?
And I got beat him to race me. And I got beat the arm motor to get the boost.
On motor.
I know some man that would love to race you right now. A lot of people.
Call name.
I call no name.
Call name. Call name. Say if you work my time.
I have burn up a little list. I have bring rise up a little list.
We all more than we've been ready. That been calling out boost cars, we've been calling out all that.
Race Andre with a turbo Euro.
Bro.
Yo, order one racing gravy.
I just want some more.
You want soup race? No, no, you idiot.
Gravy. They're oxygen gravy. Oxygen water.
Oxygen water.
Swimming is one of the
Yo, you dumb, bro. You dumb.
Let's get. Yeah, make this one more kick you down, pick your food number.
What the fuck? Yeah, on the home. Look at the police! The boys! The boys!
Man, I run like Sonic with the cheap pints. Dog don't sleep in the street life. Hey, yo, short time, you know the life how we live. Some of my dog.